This is Code Thinkers Academy. In this video, you will identify a different data types and example in Python. Learn how to check a different data types in Python. Python has several built-in data types that allow you to store and manipulate different kind of data. The following are the example of different data types we have in Python. Integer data type in Python, float data type, string data type, list data type, tuple data type, and Boolean data type. We are going to start with the example of data type. Our first example is name equals to John. This is a string data type. A string data type is enclosed in quotation mark, either double or single. Age equals to 20 is integer data type. Height equals to 1.75 is a float data type. Is student equals to true or is student equals to false is a Boolean data type. It's equally important for you to know how to check different data types in Python. Here is an example of how to check for data type in Python. So you write a print, you open brackets, then you put a type. Then we are going to check the type of the variable name. Then you press enter. Therefore, name is a string data type. str is string, is abbreviation for string. We are testing for age, which, as you can see, age is an integer data type. We are testing for height. Height is a float data type, which is a decimal. Let's test for is student. A student is a Boolean data type. Okay, in summary, Python has several built-in data type. So we have integer, we have string, we have float, we have Boolean, we have set, we have list, so many of them. And then if you want to check for data type, then you type print, then you open brackets, you put type, you close the brackets, then you put the variable's name, and you close the bracket and you press enter. You are going to see a class contain the data types you are working with. Thank you for listening.